Welcome to this special report. Today we are following Nathan, a passionate works manager at Pixii. Nathan, at the wheel of his car, takes us behind the scenes and shows us the activities that make Pixii famous. Pixii is committed fully to the environment, isn't it?
Indeed, Pixii is gradually replacing all staff vehicles to achieve a 100% hybrid or electric fleet. Each employee also has a tree planted in their honour as a symbol of our commitment to the environment. I took an eco-driving course to set an example for my daughter Leah and to pass these values on to her. It's a great source of pride for us.
At Trami, Nathan and his team put on their PPE. Could you please tell us more about this mission?
Well, today we're building an optical fibre bypass. Before each operation, we apply our bespoke method, the 360x5 formula, to identify and eliminate the risks associated with our operations. Here's how it works. Firstly, we perform a 360-degree scan to survey the environment. Then, we reflect together for 5 minutes on the best solutions for guaranteeing the safety and effectiveness of our actions.
Safety is paramount then. How do you go about this?
Absolutely. We install markers to protect our work area. Our team leader explains the internal processes specific to each job. For the fibre or copper ring, Aurelian and Nahil take care of the fibre links between point A and point B. Given the height of the paths, they use lightweight individual mobile platforms to operate in complete safety. Once the cable is in place, they connect the fibre to the equipment and carry out a link verification test. Finally, Aurelian sends the test report to the customer to complete the operation.
Follow us to Sasley, another Pixii customer.
Leo's team is currently installing plug sets.
What exactly are plug sets?
Plug sets are socket outlets for powering bay equipment. They use halogen-free cables to avoid harmful smoke emissions in the event of fire. Finally, we make the connections in the electrical cabinet and on the equipment. The test is completed and the report is sent to the customer. And we're at Zumia, where Ishmael is working on a specific project. He's responsible for design and installation tasks.
What makes his job so special?
This is the Pixii package, a service that brings together all Pixii solutions. The customer's free to choose the solutions they want. Zumia has opted for a turnkey solution, with Pixii taking care of everything. Ishmael relies on the pre-work survey team to draw up execution plans and calculation notes, laying the raised floor, laying cable trays under the raised floor, installing cable trays in the ceiling, supplying and installing a private cage, installing fibre guides, fitting the bays, installing and connecting electrical cabinets, setting up fibre optic bypasses, ensuring deliverables are produced. Ishmael follows a precise schedule, meets deadlines and applies the 360x5 process on a daily basis. Every evening, he sends the customer the Pixii daily progress report detailing progress, tasks completed, and any difficulties encountered. Communication and transparency are key values at Pixii and are respected by Ishmael and his colleagues.
Let's meet Jonathan, who's collecting a custom-made part from a partner for a customer, Teldon.
Well, specifically, Teldon had air cooling problems in one of their bays due to faulty ventilation linked to unsuitable equipment. Working with our technical design office, Jonathan designed a bespoke part for a dedicated solution that optimally regulated the temperature of the rack, reducing it by 5 to 10 degrees in the cold corridor, while reducing the amount of cooling equipment and improving the room's PUE. The success of the prototype led Teldon to order a further 150 parts from Jonathan.
Can you tell us about the Pixii maintenance, please?
Paolo and his team are fully committed to optimizing energy efficiency by improving the performance of the dries cooling units, which are often installed on rooftops. These dries are exposed to the dust of the urban environment, requiring regular maintenance. Paolo and his team take monthly readings to determine the ideal frequency of maintenance, based on the historical values recorded and analysed by our technical design office. These actions aim to reduce electricity and hydropower consumption in order to protect our environment.
Have we met all the teams?
Not yet. Adam is taking over from here. We always have someone on call. Adam goes out on call in the Paris region within 2 hours, 24/7, and is available to clients based in France or abroad. When a need is identified, it's triggered via our telephone platform with a ticket generated by our CRM tool.
We would like to thank Nathan and Pixii for this exceptional guided tour. See you soon to discover more of Pixii's activities.